Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this charity shop, thrift shop haul with a bit of a difference. The difference being today is my birthday and I've had a couple of parcels arrive today. One of them being this one here that's been sent over from Kate here on YouTube, and she's told me that I can unbox this on camera. All the items in here I think are from the charity shops or the thrift stores. There might even be some car boot sale items in here as well, but these are all some bits that Kate has very kindly picked out for me and sent me over for my birthday to open. So I thought I'd unwrap them with you. We can go through them all together and yeah, we'll call it a bit of a birthday charity shop, thrift shop, haul, unboxing type of thing. I also had another really exciting parcel arrive this morning. It came over from Luke and Zara and it was a very, very nice bottle of gin, which I've got here, and I've just made myself one. So thank you very much, Luke and Zara, if you're watching, and cheers everybody. I hope you've got a nice cup of tea on the go or a beverage of your choice for the little unboxing we're about to do. That's delicious. And let me just show you the card that they made for me. How about that? So I think Luke did this, and it says, the older you get, the better you get. There's a picture of a banana on here, and it says, unless you're an emergency banana. Very true. So thank you, Luke and Zara, and thank you so much for the bottle of gin as well. Absolutely loving it. You know me, just a small one, dears. Little splash. So let's get on with the unboxing. Thank you so much, Kate, for sending this to me. Very exciting. It's got some Poundland wrapping paper. When I first saw this paper, I thought that looks posh, and then I remembered this from one of Kate's previous Poundland hauls. Most of you know Kate and Luke and Zara, but just in case you don't, I will link Kate and Luke's channels down in the description box. And I believe that Zara's starting one soon, so as soon as she does, I'll be sure to let you know. I think that's on the way, which is very exciting. Okay, so we have a little box, a little bit like Pass the Parcel. Oh, I like that. I'll be using that. I wonder if Kate found this in a charity shop. I think she might have done, or I think she might have picked this up at the car boot sale. I could be wrong, but I think Kate might have found that as well. That is lovely, isn't it? I really like maps, as you can see. I've got quite a few maps around the home, so that's really nice. I might use that in the office to file a few little bits and pieces in. Right, going in. Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, okay, so Kate's mentioned to me what this first thing is at the top here. So these are some wallpaper samples that Kate picked up when she was, I think she was looking for wallpaper for her YouTube room, which she's been giving a bit of a refresh to. And she said that she thought I might be able to do some kind of DIYs or upcycles with these, which I think is a fab idea. I really like this print actually. It's quite a thick fabric. That's, sorry, not fabric, paper, but it's almost like a fabric, almost like a kind of cheesecloth. So that's really nice because I'd probably be able to stretch that over a piece of furniture or something, and I think it would be quite strong. So I'm going to have a little think what I can do with this, but I absolutely love the print, so I'll be sure to bring that to you in a DIY upcycle kind of video very soon. And we've got another piece here, which is quite a good section as well. So yeah, I'll have to get my thinking cap on and see what we can come up with. Feel free to leave me any suggestions down in the comments. Okay, we have a card here, so I'll open that with you. And it says, happy birthday. Happy. Do you get it? Hello Ewan, happy birthday. Hope you have a lovely day and I hope you like your prezzies. Thank you, Kate, that's really sweet. She's written me a nice little message in here as well. Can't wait to see you soon-ish. Yeah, who knows when, but I'm looking forward to seeing you whenever that may be. That is fab. I'll pop that on the side of the others. So, oh, now I've seen this already in one of Kate's hauls, so I did know that this one was coming, and this is brilliant. This is absolutely fab. So I think Kate had this in mind because I think it was in a vlog, or it might have been on an Instagram story, that I was on the train and I'd got some wine for the train, but I didn't have any kind of beaker with me. So I'd ended up kind of sawing a plastic bottle in half to use as a little beaker. Classy, I know. And so Kate spied these. These were £1, says bric-a-brac. Doesn't say which charity shop. but it was in Kate's haul, and these are 2 portable wine cups with a lid that doubles as a base. So you can see there that it's got the lid that then becomes a base, which actually would be very handy on the train, because then they wouldn't be tipping over and you wouldn't be spilling red wine down yourself. So they're really fun, and they'll be a great little thing that I can take on my travels once things are back up and running, or just be really handy for maybe like a picnic or something like that as well. So they're fab. Very, very nice. Thank you, Kate. Absolutely love those. And then we have this shirt, which I also saw in the haul. So these are 2 items that I have spied already in Kate's video. And this is Zara, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it's Zara Slim Fit, size medium. And this has come from Bernardo's. And it is this really lovely print as well. I feel like I could team with the theme of the wallpaper and blend in. I could stand in front of that. What are you saying? Very, very nice. Love the print. It's got kind of leaves and, is it foliage, flowers? I'm not sure. A bit of everything going on in there, and really nice colours as well. I like this navy blue, and then you've got some kind of browns and almost like mustards in there as well. Very, very nice. It is quite sheer. Be a nice one for holiday. Thinking with a tan. Let's just try it on, shall we? That is lovely, isn't it? I really like that. Thank you, Kate. Very, very nice. Yeah, I think I might wear this for Friday's video. Or if not, I'll definitely wear it very soon. I think that's really nice. So, on to the next thing. Just check I can get it off. There we go. Okay, what have we got? Ooh! We have a candle. I can smell that straight away. That is, let me see what it's called. A lemon meringue. I wonder if Kate's popped that in there as a nod to her meringues. Any of you that saw that, you may well recollect Kate's meringues and what happened to the first lot. But that smells very, very nice. It smells like lemon meringue. Thank you very much. That is a home inspiration by Yankee Candle, and I will pop that on the mantelpiece and burn that later. It's quite a nice one for this time of year. Nice and fresh. And then we have, oh, there's a little rose in here. Now I might put that in a DIY. I have to think what I could do with that. It's a little pin badge. I know that Kate had a load of these. I think she bought a job lot from a charity shop or a boot sale or something like that. So I'll have to think what to do with that. Or if not, I might just wear it next time I get a suit out. Be a nice little buttonhole situation. Very, very, oh, there's 2, 3. I'll group them together. I'll do something. If not, I'll shove them in a little pot. And I'll keep you posted. Over on Mr. Carrington Home, feel free to follow my home account and you'll see where those end up. If they don't end up on me, that is. And then we have a, oh, that's sweet. We have a little tea light holder. It's made out of this kind of stamped metal. And it's got this heart thing to carry it. So you can go around the house like you've got a power cut. Pretend you're in the olden days. That's really sweet. Could that go in it? Potentially. There we go. I think Kate's thought this through. Fab. Let's pop that there. And then we have, oh, this is nice. We have some soap from L'Occitane. I love L'Occitane stuff. I've used their shampoos before and they're really nice. And this one is Cherry Blossom, I think it says. The stickers on it, that came from Oxfam, and that was £1.49, and it smells amazing. I put soap in my drawers until I use it. Does anyone else do that? So everything in your drawers smells nice, soapy, or whatever the soap smells of. Keeps things smelling fresh in there. Very nice, love that. Thank you very much, Kate. And then we have, so sticking with the bathroom theme, we have a spa headband. Kate knows I like doing my face masks. I think that will come in really handy now that my hair is really starting to grow out and it keeps falling in my face. To be honest, I might just end up wearing that at my desk during the day to keep my hair out of my face, but I think that'd be really handy when I do my face masks and my beard dye and there's the situation going on. It'll just make me look even better for the postman when he knocks at the door. So I'll look forward to using that. It looks really handy. I'm not sure where that one came from. Doesn't have a sticker on it. And then also to go with it, we have a gentle facial buffer. That sounds really good. I look forward to giving that a go. It's kind of like a nice thing, you could put a little blob of cleanser on it. I've got a new cleanser actually, so I'll definitely be sure to make use of that. And a nice natural organic way to exfoliate as well. Thank you, Kate, absolutely love those. And then we have, oh, I recognise these. I think I picked these up a couple of years ago, and I love a notebook, so you can't ever have too many. And these have come from Poundland, I want to say, because I'm pretty sure I picked these ones up. Or was it Wilko? I think it's Poundland, and it says this and that, and there's actually 2 in this pack. Let's just have a look at what the other one says, in case it's different, because I can't remember. We've got this one that says this and that. This is going to get confusing. And that one that says this and that. So that one says this and that, and that one says this and that. There we are. And then we have a little heart from Sass and Bell. And this looks like a decoration. I think I know what I'm going to do with this. That's really sweet. I wonder if that came from the boot sale that we went to. Did they have things like this at that stall that we absolutely loved? It might have done. If not, it's probably come from a charity shop. Everything in here is secondhand, I think. Maybe these weren't. Maybe they were new from Poundland. And this, I think I'm going to hang that out in the garden. I'll hang that from one of the little trees out there, maybe on the cherry tree. I think that'll look really sweet out there. It's got a little bell on it as well, so when it catches the wind, it can make a nice little tinkling noise. And then what's the last thing? We have one more thing in here. This is a Body Shop Born Lippy. Ooh, Satsuma lip balm with clementine as well. So that's really handy as well. And some of you may have seen recently that I was putting the lip balm on when I was going out for my runs. I was popping a bit down here as well because I had a nipple situation, but we won't go into that. That is everything. Thank you so much, Kate. That has absolutely made my day. These are all fab. I'm looking forward to wearing the shirt and upcycling the bits of wallpaper as well. I'll get my thinking cap on for those. I love everything. Thank you very much, and I'll be using the box as well in the office. And thank you, Luke and Zara, for the drink, which I will continue on now. So I hope you enjoyed that little thrift charity shop birthday unboxing with me. I hope you're having a lovely day, whatever you're up to today. So I'm going to enjoy my little spicy gin and tonic. Very nice it is too. And I will leave you there. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, do click subscribe for weekly videos. I'll be back soon with another one. Not sure what it is yet, but do stay tuned for that. Feel free to hit the notification bell. Do feel free to follow me over on Instagram as well. It's Mr. Carrington or Mr. Carrington Home, and give the video a little thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks again so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Stars, I wanna drive a faster car.